If you are contacted by someone requesting remote access to your computer, be very wary. A common scam involves the scammer telling you that they think your computer is infected with the virus or is running slowly, and they can help you fix it. Remote access scams allow fraudsters access to your computer information, including account information, so that they can move money from your account without your full awareness. Be wary of granting remote access to your computer to any unknown party that reaches out to you. Only give remote access or download remote access software when you initiate contact with the legitimate company through a verified means, such as a known website or phone number. If you get an email from an unknown source, hover over the sender's name to validate the sender. Do not click on any email link until you hover over the linked content to make sure it's legitimate. Example, Citi.com, as it could be a threat to your account and device security.